in a churchyard.
You don't think the schoolyard?
I'm in a schoolyard.
Right.
Give me that.
Take it down.
Yeah,
Where's
man.
the Leon? All right, man, take it down. All right, thanks for your input, Leon. Guys, listen. You know what come to me? I don't know if we can deal with this. You know, something come to me now. Something come to my mind just now. And this is going to sound weird, but very powerful. What if we all organize another search? Because I go try and reach out to some of the police and something. And we organize another search. Cause we have some place where people say, and we organize a search, but we won't disclose it over here. We organize with some people, make a chat, and we organize it together. How about that?
That could have worked too.
Alright, I go think about that very much. We're going to organize a powerful search. We're going to get some cadaver dog. If we have to pay to get that, to help with the search. Young lady. Renee. I'm mute your mic. I'm going to ask you something right now, tonight. You run. Renee. I need to come out for the live and get in contact with her. I need to make sure go and see her. Yeah.
Yes, son, we're going to be careful. We're going to.
Yeah. Never go on. I feel like I need to get this organized. And we get some people go and search all in place there.
You think we still could have used a dog? Even though it gone and the rain.
I think the dog can smell bone. That's human remains. We need to find out if we can get the cover, the dog, whatever the name is.
You could have a dog.
Yes. And organize to go at those places. Pay somebody private with those dogs. See if we can. I go and see what can happen. I go and see what can happen. And then I do this off the ear. And let's get those players. Even if it sounds foolish, we get all the players search. Where we can get search. Churches and everywhere and get, yes.
Church? They think they want to let us run the church compound?
We don't give a damn. We're going to try to forget.
Yes. Bully that.
Yes.
Oh boy.
We're going to try to get on the church everywhere. We need evidence. That's the only way we are going to solve Jayden case. Just like how we just find out who have the umbrella. We find out that junior daughter have the umbrella people. People will just find out that breaking news. Junior need to come to the front of the class. Come tell me why him come out and lie. And never tell me how the umbrella part go. Because now we know how the umbrella part go. And we can't hold them out no more. We are going to make it heard. Because Jayden Smith is not here with us. So anything for make we find justice for Jayden Smith. And it is vital to the case. We're going to come out here and we're going to expose it. Because right now we don't have no police to help with. We don't have nobody to help with get justice and find Jayden. So right now, junior daughter are the one who get Jayden Smith umbrella. We are opening everything now. Allegedly, Junior daughter are the one who have the umbrella. Allegedly, Junior even come over here and him same daughter fear. Him no same 5 pitney them, him same 1 daughter afraid. And him for make taxi pick her up and pick go. So the informant that came out, not the informant, the person who came out and give the information, that person and Junior argument confirm that his daughter allegedly got the umbrella. So that part of the case we find out. So this now we have put it out to the public. We have the daughter name allegedly, but we cannot give it out.
No.
And Junior confirmed everything in our discussion, in our statement out, yeah. Because if you never did same daughter afraid, and so on, if the person tell me say, I'm daughter and dada and give me name, I would believe. But if come out here and same daughter afraid. So when the 2 people them come to me now, it just confirm everything.
Connect.
Yes. So now we know that it's a little girl get the umbrella, and the father Junior come tell me, so she and Jayden graduate from the same school and them attend the same high school too. So Jayden trusts her to give her the umbrella, knowing that if the auntie asks for the umbrella, she can give the umbrella to the auntie and it won't get a beating. You see everything add up? That's why the same Junior come out and say, when them ask him, why you not ask the auntie what happened to Jayden? And why you want me lose my life? So basically, he tell me say the family them wicked. Right there, so. Junior gave us a lot of clues. Junior even tell us that Jayden is unalive. So for the go back and listen to him interview, when we hear everything for yourself. So, guys, we know who Jayden give the umbrella to. Allegedly, Junior stepdaughter. The 2 of them go to the same school. And people, we have more information that came in from yesterday. But it's like 3 place people are sent me 3 different people, 3 different houses, and 3 different places. So right now, I don't know which one. I need to go around and say, mind more, and pick the right one. But right now, what my intention doing is getting somebody going out there, the police, wherever, figure out to pay and get this done. That's what me I gonna do. I'm gonna do this by my own though. Yeah, me now come up with a GoFundMe now. Me I gonna try figure out this by my own. Hi, Cherry. Hi, Cherry. Then when you come up here, if you don't want nobody call your name. It's so people rude. Come down. Come down. Me ask if you come up here. What you call my name for? Then when you come up here for, lady? No. I mean, bring you up. Me know you. Some people is so bad. Yeah, what do you think? Alien again.
Yeah, man, and me again. Me have a suggestion. Me want to hear you say something a while ago. I was thinking,
Yeah.
there's one way I think this can possible solve, like really solve. You know why it's hard to solve? Because a lot of police get paid in other cases.
Come here.
And,
Yeah.
and if it was me, I think we should pool together some money and get overseas investigator take up the case here, because you're going to frighten to see the amount of police losing work and go to jail. Police get paid off, that's why them drop the case. Nobody not interested in it, because the police them get paid off are key police where nobody can go around them so easy unless you have an outside investigator.
May I ask now, can we get an investigator from over here to go down there and do that? That's the key.
Yeah, we can. It's just that we need to find them and ask them price. Them
All right.
charge them money.
Well, that's the way we're going to move it real now. We're going to see if we can
nobody
get
at
to and
Jamaica now will come out and talk, and we know them investigator over here, so skill like that. Then we get results. Trust me. Them have them tools. Them just need relevant information and them crack the case. You're frightened to see the police them are going involved when I go down.
Okay. We're about to do this. What we're going to do, guys, I don't know how we're going to move forward, because I would have rather, I don't like the money passa. So I would have rather do it with my own. But we need to get an investigator. First of all.
Let's just research for your investigator here. We're willing to take up the case.
Yeah, can you check and see if we can find an investigator from down in Florida or something, and ask how much them charge? Figure to wait tomorrow, make we get the price and everything. You know, so that would have sound about right. Let us move forward like this for you.
Mm-hmm.